Hey guys, it's Sigmund Saranella here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect your data to Tableau. And so Tableau kind of gives you a couple options here. You have a to file, so if you already have your file downloaded, whether you download it from Google Sheets or wherever you download it, you can choose these options here. But in particular today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to Google Sheets, because sometimes data sets might be they may have a lot of information on there, and that information can take up a lot of space on your computer. So we can connect to a server, which is Google Sheets. And so in this example, I'm going to be connecting to this class data set for the class CSE 150 class data, which has all this information here. So we're going to connect to this data set. So in this option right here where it says to a server, it may show Google Sheets here, but to find Google Sheets, you can go to More and then click on this option here, Google Sheets. So once you click on Google Sheets, it'll open up a browser, another tab in your browser, and it's asking you to choose and authenticate. So for this option, just choose the account in which you have the data set saved on, or where it was shared. So I had mine on that email, and so I'm going to allow Tableau to have access. And so now since it's there, I can close that part of the browser, and right here it'll give me a couple options on what I can open. So as you can see, I have a bunch of different data sets here that I can use. And so the one I'm going to be using is the CSE 150 class data. And so I'm going to connect and just give it some time. And there we go. As you can see here, all the data has been loaded in. I didn't have to download anything, but just simply connect to the server. And you're good to go to start making some visualizations. But I guess in this, I'll just simply show one visualization. So maybe I would like to look at who has an iPhone and Android. That sounds kind of cool. So I'm going to drag iPhone and Android there. But the thing is, we don't have a measure. So what I can do is just do this option, drag it into rows, and click on this drop down menu and go over this option into measure, because right now it's a dimension. So I would need to make it a measure, and I would do count. So this counts how many, the number of the people in the data set. It just counts the number total. So as you can see, 53 people have an iPhone, 22 people have an Android, and we have null values, which there aren't any. So we can exclude this. If you right click on the null, exclude, and boom, we're left with these two. And I could probably do it one more time. Let's look at hair color. So we have hair color. We got to make some kind of continuous measure, because right now it's just discrete in dimension. So if I click on eye color in this drop down menu, go to measure, go to count, then I get this. And so I can see that all this information, and then we have all these other tabs where we can sort it by descending or ascending, whatever you feel like. So there we go. That's just a very quick tutorial on how to do these things, and I hope you guys enjoyed.